hadn't been with a good girl.
Namaste everyone, it's Ravindra from Focuses, and this video is quite different. It is the unboxing of smartphone called Honor 8X. So let's get started. So this is the box Honor 8X comes with. The box has Honor 8X AI branding at top. So let's open and see what's inside. At the top, it's device itself inside this plastic bag. The phone is quite big. To be precise, it's 6.5 inches. The back looks stunning and premium, which is made up of glass with visual grading effect. It is also available in black and red colors, but here I have blue one. So let's keep the device aside for a while. Since it has the glass body, it is very good to see case included. The case is transparent. And here is our SIM ejector tool. There is all the paperwork. And this is the user manual. So let's see what else we have got. This is the USB cable, which feels pretty solid and premium. And this is the charger, which is standard, so no fancy fast charging going on here. Now here is earphone, which is included in the box. So now let's see the phone. Let me pull the back sticker first. The device looks absolutely stunning. Honor and AI camera branding is underneath the glass. So let's put the case in and put the device. And yes, the notch is there, but at least it's smaller than many devices out there in the market. It has what Honor calls full view display with nearly borderless design. So here is quick specs of Honor 8X. So the dimension of Honor 8X is 6.31 by 3.02 by 0.31 inches. The weight is around 175 gram. The display is IPS LCD 1080p display with 19.5 by 9 ratio. The chipset that is used to power this device is called HiSilicon Kirin 710, which is equivalent to Snapdragon 660 processor. CPU used is 2.2 GHz octa-core. GPU is Mali G51 MP4. Honor 8X has got 3 card slot, 2 for the SIM and 1 for the micro SD card. So no hybrid card slot here, which is very good to see. You can have 2 SIM as well as a micro SD card if you need. So it comes with 4 or 6 GB of RAM and the storage is 64 or 128 GB. Now let's talk about camera. Main camera has dual lens, one of 20 megapixel with f1.8 aperture and another with 2 megapixel as depth sensor. There is only one selfie camera which is of 16 megapixel with aperture of f2.0. Operating system in Honor 8X is EMUI 8.2 on top of Android 8.1, and yes, it has obviously got headphone jack. The battery is non-removable 3750 mAh, which is pretty good. That means our device must last at least a day. Now the device looks snappy. Like every Huawei and Honor device, it is running with the skin called EMUI on top of Android. Let's go to the settings and about phone. As you can see, the name here is Honor 8X with its model number, EMUI version and all the informations. It is running in EMUI version 8.2 and Android version 8.1 as discussed earlier. This model right here has 4GB RAM and 128GB of internal storage. And one thing I noticed was it is clearly not one-handed phone because of its size and how tall it is. However, the phone is not that heavy. So moving into the camera, the main dual camera setup is 20 plus 2 megapixel. The shutter speed is quite fast. And here is the AI mode. It has aperture, night, portrait, photo and video mode. Under mode, you have pro mode, slow motion, panorama and all those stuff. So here are some sample shots taken from Honor 8X.
September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed, couldn't leave me alone. Text me every time that you pick up the phone. And I had control in the driver's seat. have been off the wheel. Now the tables have turned.
You also have different themes to choose from, and you can always use third-party launchers if you don't like the skin. And the price of this phone starts from 249 euros. If you want full honest review of this device, just comment down below and I'll make that for you guys. So stay safe, stay healthy, happy learning. Goodbye everybody, see you in the next video.